curious if this motorcycle helmet will stop a bullet. I don't think it will, but I'm going to shoot it with a 22 and some other calibers just to see what it does. This is 22. Alright, let's see what it does. There's where it hit.
Oh, wow.
There's where the bullet. I think I feel the bullet. I feel the bullet or plastic. Plastic. The one out the back, it stopped it.
Oh, cool.
It stopped it. I don't see it, but it stopped it. Well, let's try
9mm?
9mm. Okay, we'll try 9mm. Now I'm gonna shoot 9mm. This is the Panic MC9.
Right here.
Okay.
So you hit low both times.
Okay.
Came out right here. Interesting.
Well, this motorcycle helmet will not stop a 9mm. I know they're not designed for that. I was just curious.
All right.
But we can go ahead and shoot everything else we brought.
Let's go bigger.
This is the Colt Python and 357 Magnum. Let's see what it does to a motorcycle helmet. That was a 22. That was the 9.
Right there's 357. What's its exit look like?
So that was the 9.
Yeah, that's 9.
No, that was the 9.
What was this one then?
Don't know.
357 maybe?
Probably.
Interesting.
Alright, now we'll do 44.
Alright, let's go.
This is Colt Anaconda, chamber in 44 Magnum. And I'm going to see what it looks like on a motorcycle
So,
helmet.
oh my, it basically exited where the 357 did, didn't it? Yeah.
Let's do 500 next.
All right, let's go.
This is the Taurus Raging Hunter in 500 Magnum. And we're going to see what it does to a motorcycle helmet.
Dang. It scooted it around. Oh my goodness.
There's the entrance. There's the exit.
Oh wow.
That's hot.
It took the latch through it.
That's hot.
Ow. I blew this up, Derek. Oh my gosh. Whoa. That is awesome. Look at the damage on that. Well, it definitely wouldn't survive a 500.
Well, this motorcycle helmet, this brand, which I know it's not they're rated for. I just was curious, but it didn't stop anything. The 22 went all the way through. Well, the 22 stopped right there.
I mean, it went through one side and then didn't exit the next. So you're still not safe.
If this video happens to do good, we might see about getting a better helmet just to see the difference.